Hey guys, Mr. Menora here. This 8 a.m. Google Hangouts is a little bit earlier than I had expected when I scheduled it. Anyway, let's see. Here we are. That's my calendar. Google Hangouts scheduled. Let's hop over here. We're going to start with Tinkercad. And this is my week 1 or my week 3 Tinkercad group. I got a lot of really cool things here, so let's start. Isaiah did this file. Let's see what it looks like. Can't wait to see. All right. So maybe some kind of eagle fidget spinner. It's very cool. I don't know if you can tell. There's a little line down here. Separation between the bearing hole and the rest of the body. But that seems like that'll be okay because it's well attached to the head and the top of the wings here and here. And these pieces here seem to be attached enough to the rest, but this bottom tail feather is going to be Isaiah's weakest point of his design and could break. So if I was making a recommendation, it might be to just make that a little bit tighter, make sure there wasn't that gap there. So this would last longer as a fidget spinner. But good job, Isaiah. Let's see. We can close that up. All right, let's see what Elizabeth did for us. Always excited to see what Elizabeth makes. She makes some very good stuff. Oh, my little 3D viewer app got confused. Gonna have to open that up one more time. We will get there eventually. Hopefully. Not this time either.
What are you gonna make?
Oh, that was my son Luke. Just hopping in for a little comment there. Let's see. Might have to get on a different computer to see what Elizabeth did for me. It doesn't seem to be working right now. All right, so I'll hop away from Elizabeth. Sorry, Elizabeth. I'll come back to you on a different computer. Let's see, Dante. Oh, wait. Could this be Elizabeth's project finally? Possibly? Probably? Maybe? It is the mighty Fluffy. Still not getting anything here. I wonder why that is. Unless... No. Elizabeth, I'll take a look at yours on another computer. Unless you attach an empty file. Take a look at it on your end as well. All right. Dante sent me a link. Okay. So, Dante, you sent me your edit link. So, basically, you went to the top of Tinkercad, copied the link where you were editing your file, and pasted it in, which you'd think would work, but it doesn't. If you want to get a share code, if you just want to share, bless you, Luke, your project with me, you don't want to give me the STL file. You want to make it as simple as possible. This is what you need to do. Once you sign into Tinkercad and open up one of your awesome Tinkercad files, I'll do my box with spinny lid here. Everything moves a little bit slower when you're streaming on Google YouTube Live here. See, this right here is the link that you gave me, Dante. This www.tinkercad. So box with me lid /edit. What I need actually, right? Let me do that again. See this little sort of looking like a person with a plus sign on his right hand side there? You have to click that. You have to click generate new link and copy that. So I clicked copy. Now I can go back here and I can paste. And you know this is different because it's not just edit, it's also share code, and it's got this whole extra little piece added to the end of it. That's how you know that it's more than what you've been working with. All right, so it's important to use those share codes. Viana, looks like you sent me this sync. Elena just gave me a link to Tinkercad. So you got to actually log in. You've got to actually create something and then share it with me. Let's see. Oh, Kayla did a shore dice. Let's take a look at that. Hopefully, Kayla's shore dice will load for us. I'll click my 3D View app. It looks like my internet is not really, was not cooperating with me. All right, so here's a cool short dice. It looks like the names are relatively the same height off the die, but there's definitely a little room for improvement on this mom piece here. You want to make that name smaller so that M fits on that face. There was one more thing I wanted to look at. This Andy here. Right, that is tilted the wrong way off the die like that. You want to make sure that you have a nice flat face and a flat name on that face. I can actually show you how to do that one more time, Kayla, since I'm already in and I have a box up on Tinkercad over here. So my quick and easy way to make a chore die or put someone's name on the side of something is to take my work plane and put it right on that face. So now, that text is placed right there. Take my work plane and drop it back down on the bottom. And the text, if I can, there it is nice and flat on that face. Just a little workaround, little hack I like to do. Move into the Google Drawings portion of this Hangout. We were making a conversation. Thanks. I really liked what Riley did here. Thanks. I really liked what Riley did here. She found a cute little puppy. Right? And thanks. Puppy in the picture as well as an auto draw. She completed both. I mean, my little boy's being a little more disruptive than I'd like, Luke. We're doing a Google YouTube Live with a but I really liked what Riley did here. Let's see what Cyprian did. Thanks. Kind of the same idea, it looks like, in that preview. Looks like hey, Luke, look what this boy did. He golfing panda and maybe. All right, thing. I want to do. All right, we'll do that after this. All right, the only thing that Cyprian needs to do everyone's in their pajamas still this morning. The sniper needs to do here is if he right-clicks on his words by using those two fingers on the trackpad, you can get spelling recommendations. And I think that will make this a little bit cleaner. But good work overall. By Google Drawings, people, you're doing. Jack did a nice job. Alyssa did a nice job there. It was a conversation between a person and a rocket ship, I guess. But yeah, you guys are doing great work. If you have questions, please let me know.
I have a question.
Anyone but Luke. Luke, please, no questions? Up. I think this is a good note to end on. Like I said, if you have questions, let me know. Hope